Hi, welcome to this video on how to claim free domain in Hostinger. First, go to Hostinger's website at hostinger.com. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up by purchasing something from Hostinger. Also, you can use Google to sign up. If you already have an account, just go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll need to select a hosting plan to claim your free domain. Hostinger offers a free domain with the Beer Premium and Business hosting plans, so I'll go ahead and choose the Premium plan as an example. After selecting your plan, choose your billing period. The longer your billing cycle, the more you save. You can get more discounts by using a coupon. Now click on Choose Payment Method. And now select your comfortable payment method to pay for your plan. After completing your payment, you will see the Claim Domain option. If it's not showing to you, then go back to your Hostinger dashboard. You'll see the option to claim your free domain. Click on Claim Domain. Type in the domain name you want and check if it's available. Hostinger covers a variety of extensions like .com, .net, .org, and many more. If your domain is available, go ahead and select it. Click the Claim Domain button. Now you will be asked for some information to register your domain. After filling out the form, click the Finish Registration button. It will take some time to register your domain. Now click Continue. And I am skipping it for now. As you can see, your domain is registered. Now you have to verify your email. You will receive a verification mail to your registered email. Go to your inbox and find the mail received from Hostinger. Open it and click the Verify link to verify your account. You can see verification is completed. The verification mail can take time to arrive in your email inbox. Hostinger gives you 15 days to complete the verification process. When you receive the email, just verify it within 15 days. And now you can see we have claimed free domain from Hostinger. So that's how to claim free domain in Hostinger. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.